Hi, I'm Braden. I'm going to be talking about horticultural oil and reducing harmful insect populations and promoting plant health. Horticultural oil is petroleum or plant-based. It's used to smother the insect or the pest, and it can also be used to control certain diseases such as powdery mildew. When you're considering to use horticultural oil, you need to know what crop that you're going to be treating. Horticultural oil can have a more negative impact on certain plants than others, so you need to know what plant you are going to be treating before you buy the horticultural oil. Secondly, you need to know what types of insects that you're going to be trying to get rid of. Horticultural oil is effective on most immature populations of soft-bodied, armored scale, and soft-scale insects, but isn't as effective on adult populations. So if you have a crop with adult populations of these insects, you might want to find a different solution. So determine that life cycle of the insect infestation before application. Lastly, climate is pretty important, or the overall temperature when you apply is very important. If it's too hot, it can lead to phytotoxicity and increased surface temperature, which could hurt the plant. And extreme cold will end up breaking down the emulsion, so it's just going to be ineffective if it's too cold and you apply it. So it's recommended to apply between 40 and 90 degrees, not anything above or below those values. So overall, horticultural oil is a pretty effective way of treating your crops if you're going the organic route, but you have to take these things into account, all these factors. And that concludes my presentation.